fell into horsebox building actually. I wanted a very good built horsebox for myself that had things where I wanted it very good and strong for the horses, but I couldn't find anything that's sort of affordable in what I wanted exactly.
Yeah.
So I went around to all the builders in the country, got under the chassis, had a look, and found somebody that I really liked, and I gave them my design and got them to build it for me. And then as soon as I got it, somebody bought it off me. So I then went and did another one and improved it, and again, same thing happened, got it home, somebody bought it off me. So I ended up setting up EQ. The key for me is I want a good, spacious, strong place for the horses, and then as much storage as possible, and then everything to be as easy as possible for accessing and to be as comfortable as well. In my life, I've groomed, I've driven, I've lived and stayed in amazing places, and I've had young horses, old horses, I've got huge horses. So it's really important that the horses feel safe and travel well. Most people that deal with horse boxes don't ride, they don't have horses. I do all of those things, and that's really, I think, the thought that goes into our EQ horse boxes is quite incredible. You know, the attention to detail is second to none.